In this recipe, I decided to use a plant-based oil instead of butter. Even though butter adds a better flavor, plant-based oils are much healthier. Butter is very high in saturated fats, which is a type of fat found in foods like meat and dairy. Butter contains about 63% of saturated fat. Saturated fat can increase heart disease and can even lead to elevated cholesterol levels. Plant-based oils contain unsaturated fats, which are good fats and can lower disease risk. Some plant-based oils that are high in good fats are olive, canola, sunflower, soy, and nut oils.